Yeah, yeah. Para sa'yo tumarikit. From your tropa sa social media. One love, one time. Happy birthday sa'yo marikit.
Happy birthday, Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Na nakikita mo yan, hindi pag-aari. Pinitang kita kasi birthday mo. Ingat mo lagi. God bless you. Thank you for watching my vlog. Bye, birthday.
Happy birthday, Babe Market. On your special day, I wish you endless happiness, good health, and success in everything you do. Happy birthday again. Mag-ingat ka palagi dyan. Enjoy your day. Mwah. May papawas.
Happy birthday sa'yo, Utoy Marikit. Alam ko hindi pa tayo nagkakasama na matagal pero alam ko kung napakabuti mong tao at napakabait mong kaibigan. Again, happy birthday sa'yo. Piliin mo laging maging masaya at alisin mo lahat ng mga toxic sa paligid mo. Yan, God bless always. Happy birthday. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Hi, Miss Margit, happy birthday. Enjoy your day and be safe and wish you all the best. Once again, happy birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Mwah.
Skate, happy birthday. At sana marami pang birthday yung dumating sa buhay mo. At sana safe kayo makauwi ng Pilipinas. At I hope enjoy your day. At I wish you all the best. I love you so much. Alam mo yan, hindi man tayo masyado nagkakausap madalas na nagkakasama sa PR. But I'm so happy na kayo mga naging friend ko. At mag-iingat kayo palagi. At sayang lang, hindi tayo magkikita pag uwi mo ng Pilipinas. But soon. I love you so much. God bless you. And happy birthday ulit.
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon. Gusto ko lang batiyan ng happy birthday sa Beb Marikit. And enjoy your special day, Beb. And wishing you all the best in life. God bless you. Shout out, Beb Tokyo. I love you. And ayun lang. Thank you.
Hi, Be! Happy birthday! And, syempre, wishing you happiness and luck on your new job. Ayan. Good luck. Ayun. Sobrang swerte mo kasi may mawala man pero may pumapalit. Na trabaho. Ayun. And happiness, of course, yan yung number one goal natin dalawa. Yung maging masaya ka. Maging masaya tayo every day, every time. Alam mo yun, kahit meron tayong mga pinagdadaanan, meron tayong mga hugot sa buhay, still, masaya pa rin tayo. Kasi, andyan ka, andito kami. Diba? Ayun. And of course, I wanted to take this opportunity to say thank you. Thank you for everything. And thank you for coming back to my life. Ayun. Maraming salamat sa pagbabalik mo. Matagal kong pinagdadasal yun, be. Sobrang matagal ko na pinagdadasal yun. Na bumalik kayo sa buhay ko. And, dahil malakas tayo kay G, pinayagan niya at inallowed niya uli na magkasama, magtagpo, at magkausap tayo, no? Maraming salamat. Ayun. Always remember that I love you forever. Hindi man forever, pero as long as magkasama tayo. Thankful na ako doon. Mahal kita sagad, alam mo yan. And I wish ko yung happiness mo. Yun lang, yung number one wish ko. Yung happiness mo. Alam mo yan. In everything we do, you do. Ako, sila, tayo. Yan. Maging masaya lang tayo. Alam mo yan. And alam mo naman na isang tawag mo lang, isang message mo lang, nandyan ako. Alam mo yan. Every time. Kahit ano pa yan, kahit ay, mali. Nag-jumujirbo pala. Sorry. Ayun. Huwag na nating gawing drama to, ano. So, basta maging happy ka. And yung health mo din, of course. Ayun. Ako medyo naging okay naman na ngayon. Ayan, as you can see, rashes na lang. Pero mawawala na rin yan. And sipon ubo, kaya naman, ginagamutan naman. Ayun, wag ka na masyadong mabother at mag-alala for me kasi okay na ako, no? And ikaw din dyan, so yung health mo, watch it, diba? Hindi tayo bumabata, alam mo yan. Again, ayun, medyo mahaba na. Wishing you happiness and God bless. Ayun, again, always remember, I love you. So, enjoy your day, be! Mwah!
Happy birthday sa'yo, Marikit.